Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my
Okay, so we will ask a couple questions because some people would like to travel to Minsk. Minsk. Okay, so how many euros you need in a month for paying a rent? For example, if you would take studio flat, like a new apartment, quite good, and rent a car, food and
You mean in the city center, like a perfect
in the
location?
city center, yeah, perfect location.
Perfect flat. So it's for a flat you may 4 months, yes? Maybe 300 or $400 a year or something like that. It depends, really depends on your luck.
Yeah.
So to rent a car, I don't know, because Uber is very popular, so if you want to come, Uber is the best option. Not to rent, but to use taxi. It's really
super.
very cheap way to see. And we have metro, so maybe you don't need a car at all. So, and food is
Okay.
food is like here the prices are all the same, so you should count on your how much do you spend on Lithuania. So
Same.
yes, all the same. I think.
How do you rent a flat? If, for example, a person would like to stay for 3 months or 2 months. So how it works? How you need to rent a flat?
How? I think as usual you use Airbnb. But better, of course, to find a friend from Belarus who will find it for you and without any fees and extra.
So through Airbnb would be like 600 maybe, but through a friend maybe 300 or 400
Yeah.
euros.
Yes. We have some local newspapers and sites to rent apartments, but I don't remember really.
Okay. What is the opinion of Minsk girls about Lithuanian men?
About Lithuanian men?
All about Lithuanian guys.
So I know some Lithuanian guys.
Like the usual opinion, like you have female friends from Minsk and so on. So
I think
what they think?
The difference between Belarusians
Yeah,
and Lithuanians
exactly.
is
The
that
difference.
you love yourself so much and you're concerned on your image, on your lifestyle and on money.
In Lithuania?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, and for example, guys in Belarus, they are not concerned about that, yeah? More laid back?
Yeah, more laid back, not concerned about themselves. I mean, like how do they look like, but...
Yeah, here, in Lithuania, so they see, with what car you drive and so on, especially neighbors, it's kind of like that.
And
they want to brag, to their neighbors, that they live in an amazing house and so on. It's like
it's terrible.
Yeah, terrible.
And you're more like addicted to brands, to mainstream, like that comes from Europe. I mean, that Europe.
Exactly.
In Belarus, we are not. We are like more underground. I think so.
And tell about
you. Very selfish.
Lithuanians?
Yes.
Yeah, selfish.
Yes.
And tell about yourself. You came to study here?
No, I'm just I come really very often here to Vilnius. I'm not studying, but for work, something like.
So you
twice a month I come here.
Twice a month. You use Airbnb or friends?
Friends, but today, for example, I don't stay for a night, so I come just in the morning and I leave in the evening. So.
Yeah. So you speak very well in English. So where did you learn?
At school.
At school?
Such a surprise. Yes.
And you speak Belarusian language, Russian, and English, yes?
Yes,
free.
but Belarusian is not so popular in Belarus.
Okay. Salsa, bachata, nightclub dance lessons are popular in Belarus, or no?
Yes, quite well.
Quite popular. Okay. Okay. So, what advices? What advices you would give for a traveler, a male traveler?
A male traveler?
Yeah, a male traveler if he would like travel to Minsk.
Advice?
First, yeah, for male and then for female.
I don't know. First, Belarusians are very open-hearted and everybody are eager to help you if you ask. Don't be confused to ask everybody. They will help you, they will take your hands and follow you to the place you need. So, I don't know. But the only like thing that you must know that a lot of Belarusians don't speak English very well. So,
Wow. Well, I wanted to ask that.
Yes.
Yeah. So, for example, from 100 people, like your age, for example,
Like
you're
m-
like 21,
23. Yes.
23. You okay?
My age, yes.
Your age?
Mostly we speak English, but if you ask a person who is 40 or older, they may don't understand you.
So
But
you
if you
guys,
speak Russian-
you guys speak better in English than people in Odessa, for example, in Ukraine or in Kiev, because we have been in Odessa. So from 100 people, just spoke one girl fluently in English. Their English is very like they can talk but very bad. They cannot express themselves in English.
No, from 100 maybe 50%.
50%,
Yeah,
like your age.
definitely. For sure.
Do you
like
know-
basic knowledge?
Do you know like examples when a Belarusian girl married a Lithuanian guy?
Examples?
Yeah, examples. Situations like that.
Why do you ask?
I mean, just situation like that. Yeah. Did they go through that process and
Yes, I knew such situations. My friends, kind of friends, married each other. A Belarusian girl.
So a Lithuanian, she's Lithuanian female? No.
She's a girl from Belarus,
Belarus.
married to Lithuanian guy.
Okay, so Lithuanian guy can stay unlimited time in Minsk. Yes.
He's not from Minsk. They live somewhere in London, but I know that he's from Lithuania. But they don't
national.
live here. And no, they don't live in Belarus.
So they met each other in London, and she was from.
They
no?
met each other. I don't know where, in Malta maybe.
In the mind of each other. Yeah.
But why do you ask? You want to
I mean,
have citizenship?
not for me, for
Ah.
viewers, yeah, for viewers. Because we ask such questions,
That's quite kind of complicated way to get citizenship, and this marital process is complicated. So
Complicated? What
very
do you mean?
complicated.
If
You
a
need a
Lithuanian
lot of
guy wants to marry a
papers. Yes.
Belarusian girl?
Yes, you will need a lot of papers, it's paperwork, and you should do it in Belarus and in Lithuania like twice. To marry twice. Not-
So you have our friends, expect those like from London, like our friends who went through that process.
Sorry?
Do you have our friends who went through that process, like they married in Belarus and then they married in
Yes, that's usual process. They married like 3 times in Belarus, in Lithuania, like officially, and then they all the ceremony was somewhere abroad, far.
Okay, yeah. And for female, if you what advices you would give if she would travel to Minsk?
Don't expect Belarusian man to be in contact with you like free, like to get acquainted with you free himself, because our men are very shy. So be brave and do yourself. Everything do yourself.
Do yourself. Don't
Yes.
expect help. Yeah.
Yes, help maybe, but not like Italian, you know. You come to Italy, you come to Spain, and they're everywhere. Like, come on, baby, but not in Belarus. They won't even look at you. So.
Okay, yeah. And our advices?
For girl.
Do we go to some hostels, maybe, you know?
Hostels, yes. We have like really nice hostel in the city center, in Trinity suburb. It's not expensive, but if you want to stay in a hotel, it's really expensive. Maybe over than $50 per night. I think it's.
Yeah. In that hostel, how much it cost?
In that hostel, it's like
15 or 20.
15, 20, yeah.
Nice.
But it's better to rent a flat.
Flat, yeah.
Yeah, you will.
So
like.
what websites local people use to rent a flat?
Realt.by. Realt. Realt.by.
Realt.
Like real estate, Realt.by.
So it's enough to know Russian language if you would like to rent.
More than enough.
More than enough. Even they can, those like 40 or 50 years old, people can speak English in your country or no?
Some of them, but a really small percentage.
Really small. You need Russian. You would like to. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.